I welcome you all to the class. I remain Afolabi Akinloye. Today I'll be taking you on how to create a product motion videos. This is one of the paying advert video, one of the high paid advert videos. So I'm gonna be taking you on how to create it and how to perfect it. So the software we are going to be using is called InShot. Let me show you InShot. This is it. InShot. So for those of you that don't know how InShot look like, let me show you first. This is InShot. This app called InShot. So you have to download it. Like I was saying, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for it, and you'll get it there. So let's move further. Once you get it, just click on it. When you click on it, you click on this video. Now we have video, we have photos, we have color. Just click on the videos because that's what we are going to be using. Once you click on video, you click on new. You see new. So once you click on new, firstly, let me show you. When you are creating a video, there's something you should always have in mind. Always have in mind that you have to get every materials. Yes, everything. We call it stock videos. Everything you are going to be using in your video, you have to get it ready. So I'm gonna show you on the materials, the tools we are going to be using on this video. Let me show you. I already have it already, but let me show you on how to get it. I'll forward the results to you as well, but let me show you. I have the results already. So this is it. This is it. Can you see it? You see, we are creating a product. We are designing a product called cowbell. So, and these are the resources we are going to be using. You see, we have videos. All this video we call it stock videos. We have like 4 videos there, and we have like images. We have like almost 4 as well, 5. So these are the stock video we are going to be using in creating this advert video. So let's go. I've already have it on my this thing before, but if you don't have it, because I will send the link to you to get it. So once I send you the link, you are here on your Google Drive. Just click on this. You see these 3 dots? Click on these 3 dots. You see that 3 dots? Once you click on that 3 dots, it will list out this thing for you. So when you check it and you couldn't see download there, don't worry, you just have to copy the link. You see this copy link? You just have to copy this link. What is it? Come on. These 3 dots, you have to click on it, and you couldn't find some. You're supposed to say download here, but if you couldn't see it, if you did not see it there, just copy the link. As you copy the link, go to your Google Chrome, and you paste the link there. This is the link of the one I copy. Then you search for it. When you search for it, it will bring out something like this, as you can see, and you click on download. I've already have it already, but it's because of because I want to show you. So once you click on it, it will download for you. See, you even tell me to download it again, but I don't need it again. So let's go back to our work. So once you reach here, since you've already have every of your video, every of the stock video, these are the stock video we are going to be using, and these are the photos. See, this is video, this is photos. So once you are looking for the video, this is where you click, and once you are looking for the photos, and you are going to click here. So you are going to get your photos. So to make this thing very easy, I've already created a note for you, a guide script for you, so that it will be very more easier to go. It is very advisable whenever, again, let me tell you, it is very advisable to script out the guideline on how to let me show you. I've already draft out the process we are going to be using, so it will be more easier for us, so that you will not make any mistake. It will be more smoother. That is it. I've already have the guideline here, so you can script it out probably on your notes. If you have it on your phone, you have on your note. So this is it. Allow this to load. Finish. So this is it. The first thing we are going to be doing is add stock videos and adjust. That's the first thing we have to do. So let's go back. We are going to be adding our stock videos, so, and we adjust it. So the first one we are going to be using is this one. You see this one? Where is this guy? You see this thing? This is the one we are going to be using for the first. This is this one. So when you add it, you click on it. You see, this is how InShot look like. You click on it like this. But there's something I want you to take a look. You know, probably you have not made use of this app before. I will tell you how it works. You see this watermark, you have to remove it. You don't design this thing. You don't create a video with watermark. And if at all you create video with watermark, there should be a way to take it off. It's unprofessional when you create a video and there's watermark there. So click on this sign. When you click on it, you will see something like this. It will pop up free remove. Just click on this free remove and hold on. To pop up some adverts, just hold on a bit. Sometimes you just have to off your, you see, I don't even on my data and the thing remove. But most of the time, if the thing is not going, you just have to on your data. Once you on your data and you click on that, and the thing will remove automatically. But what we are going to be doing now is that, you see, this is not the proper way. This is not the proper way it's supposed to be. The reason why you are seeing those things there is that because we do not set our frame rate. We do not set it. This thing is not supposed to be there. So this is how to adjust it. You see this canvas, so you click on it. You see this thing is supposed to be in a vertical. You see 9:16. That's when we are designed for a phone 9:15. But our the stock video we are using is 16:6. You see, this is how it's supposed to be instead of this one. You see these two things, this thing, all these things, all these things you see here, they are called aspect ratio. Each platform have their own aspect ratio. You don't just create the video, you have to know the platform you are creating for. If it is Facebook, if it is Instagram, and if it is YouTube, you have to know the aspect ratio you are create. Each of those platforms, of those social media, they have their own. So probably as time goes on, I will be telling you on how to know the each aspect ratio of the social media that you are creating for. But for today's class, we are using 16:6. So once you click on this, then you click on OK. You click on OK. So as you can see, this is perfect. This is 16:9. So this one you can use it for YouTube. Yes, you can use this for YouTube and some other platform as well. So, but we are going to be adding up every of our stock video first. So you click on this plus button, this one, so that to add another stock video. So click on it, then you click on video / photo. So another stock video we are going to be adding is this banana. This thing, you see this thing. is the one we are going to be using for second stock video. So you click on it, you click on this button, so you have it already. So let's quickly add this, let's waste our time. So the third one is this one, this chocolate one, this one. So you add it. Then the next one we have to add is, next one we have to add is this. And click on it. So we have it already. So then still remains this one. So this one, then you add it. So for now we're having our stock videos. So but all these stock videos, they are too long. That's one thing you should always notice when you are creating or editing videos. You just have to cut out some part that is not really meaningful like that. Cut it out. You see, in all these stock videos now, one thing I need there is just 30 seconds each from these stock videos. So I'll just look for my 30 seconds and I'll delete the rest of it. So notice this count. See this tick, this white guy here. Yeah, that's the one you will use it to read the seconds. So I'm looking for 3 seconds of this one. 3 seconds. So once I have my 3 seconds, stop it there, and yes, I have my 3 seconds already. What's this? Come on. So as I have my 3 seconds, then I click on this. I already have my 3 seconds. Make sure it's 3 seconds. Once I have my 3 seconds, I click on it and I click on this thing. You see split. This thing called split. This thing is split. So I will click on it. Split. You see, I've clicked on it. I've divided it into two now. So you click on this part that you don't want, then you delete it. Click on delete. You take it out. Then the same thing you do to every of it. Look for 3 seconds here as well. 3 plus that's 6. So we are looking for 6 seconds now. So it's exactly 6 seconds. You click on it. Then click on split. Split, then you delete this part. So let me pause this video so that I will not waste your time and quickly do. So I'm back. I've already cut this thing out. I'm not having exactly what I need. What happened here? Are we sure what we cut here is right? No. So now I'm back. So I've cut out all the unnecessary parts. I've cut it out. So this is what you are going to be working on. You see, very simple as that. You already have, you just have 15 seconds of it, and that's what you are going to be working on. So the next thing on our script is what? So the next thing on our script says we should add, what was there? Add product and animation. Now let's add those products. That's the picture, the photos. So now I told you go to photos. That's when you will see. So if I'm to ask you a question now, what do you think? Without the first stock video, we have blue and white there. What do you think on this? With this product we have now, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Which one do you think will fit the first stock video? This is the blue. This is the blue one. So that's the one we are using for the first stock video. So then you click on it and you add it. Oh, mistake. Sorry. Delete it. That's not how to add it. We've already have our stock video here. These are our stock videos. But what we want to add now is to overlay. We call it overlay. When we place something on the when you import something on your background, we call it overlay. So this is how to do it. You see this pipe pip, this thing pip, what's it, this pip, so that is where you will be clicking and add your overlay. So you click on it, that is where you will add your pictures. So this is the first one we are adding, this cowbell, this blue one. This is the one we are adding first. You see now, and make sure that you center it to the stock video that you are using. You know, we are using it for the first stock video, not the second one. And can you see now, the thing has exceeded the stock video. You drag it to this edge and cut it out. You know, I told you to be using split. You split it. When you split it and you delete it out, so you shouldn't allow it to pass this stock video, because it's not much and it's not the one that, this is the first one we are using. See, it's the first one you are using, but let's do this first one first. So remember, I said you should add your what's the script say? It said we should add product and animation. You have to give it animation. So this is how to give your work animation.